Hi everyone. Periods are really painful, right? Those 5 days are really painful. And females or girls or women can't really avoid them. And in most of the parts of our country or in many other countries, people really don't talk about it. I don't know why. It's a physical thing. It's like we have headache, like we have problem in parts of our body, like my hair is frizzy today, it's not so good. Things like that, because I have dyed, I have colored my hair very frequently, and now it become like jharu. Period something like that? Isn't it physical? Yes, we bleed. Every month we bleed for 5 days. And I really don't understand why we shouldn't talk about it. Let's talk about it, guys. Today I'll talk about pads, sanitary napkins, sanitary pads, which are really essential. And during periods, it's very important that you get a good sleep at night. Because days are really hectic. You cannot take a day off sometimes. Maybe you have office, you have like school, college, yeah, office, and then your household work, your children, your husband, your utensils, your maid may not come, like you have to cook. There are so many other things. We can't take a leave, right? We have to do everything, just everything. So those 5 days are really hectic, and we need to sleep properly at night. There are so many pads available in the market, and they are really good. I'm not saying they are bad or something, but I really have come across one particular pad in Flipkart, and I have really liked it. And I just thought of buying it. Just I thought of give it a try. I didn't know how it is, how it's gonna be. But after I tried it, I was really happy. I thought that I would share my experience with you guys. And yes, this is the thing. It's RIO. You can call it Rio, whatever. Heavy flow pads. Excel from every angle. It's mentioned over here, excel from every angle. I like that caption. Okay. Then it has 6 pads. It's long, wide, thick, 3x more powerful, 3 times more powerful, I mean. So the price, well, it's 80 rupees. As you can see, it's mentioned over here, it's 80 rupees. And this is a fantastic product, guys. This is, let me just show you guys how the product is. Like, this is how the product looks, guys. It's quite heavy, quite thick, as you can understand. See, it is almost like a baby diaper, isn't it? This is how big it is, this much, or like, yeah, this much. It's really big. It's really big. And if you if you are a beginner, if you are having your periods maybe for the first time, you don't know how to use a pad, a sanitary napkin, let me tell you, it's really easy. You have to take the adhesive like this, the cover like this, it's opening up, right? And then you have to firmly press it like this on your panty. Okay, it will be stuck on your panty, and then you are sorted. And don't use cloths or something, don't use products which you can wash and use again and again. See, your vagina is a very delicate part of your body. Do not do things which will invite unwanted infection or something, right? Use pads, and these are especially designed for nights when we have a heavy flow and we need to sleep properly. Often we have a tension that there might be stains on the bed cover, there might be stains on my bottom wear or something, and that's really embarrassing. So I thought I would suggest this one to all of you guys. Use this pad. This is really thick, very big, wide, and it's really comfortable. It will give you a fantastic coverage. Very comfortably you can actually sleep, and it holds a lot. If you are sleeping for 8 hours, it's gonna hold it. For 9 hours also, it's gonna be fine. I'm telling you guys, I've used it more than once, and I'm telling you, this is really wonderful. This pad is very nice. It's specially designed for night times. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to tell you. And this is how the packaging is. You get a bag, disposal bag, which is a Ziploc one. Okay, it's not opening maybe. Okay, but it's a Ziploc bag. So yeah, you can actually put your pads in this and you can throw it like this, or if you have a packet or something, a paper pack, you can just wrap it and put in this one. This is quite big. But the only bad part is, or rather something I didn't like about this is, they give you only one packet, but I expect that they should give at least 6 or 8 packs like this, so that we can put each pad in each packet, because this packet is meant for one pad only. Look at the size. You cannot use this one for each and every. So yeah, that's the thing guys, pros and cons. Otherwise this is nicely priced also. This is not overpriced. This is a fantastic product guys. If you really want to sleep at night nicely, then go for them. They are good. You can buy them from Flipkart. They are quite reasonable, and yes, obviously have a very happy period. If you are a beginner, do consult a doctor or your mother, sister, friends, whatever you have, and I am always there. If you have any problem, you can put in the comment section. I will definitely address. If you want to connect with me personally, just put your email address. I'll connect personally. I'll answer your questions. If you want me to review in particular sanitary napkin, do let me know in the comment section. I'll do that. And if you think my videos are worth a share, please do share with the friends and family members. Do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And if you don't want to miss my videos, do hit the bell icon to get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. And yes, thank you once again guys for watching my videos. Stay connected, stay with me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Have a happy period. Bye bye.